Good morning, everyone. We are down here in Indio. It is the beginning of the week. No one is here as of yet, so it's early in the morning. Well, somewhat early. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update of what is going on. I was told earlier on one of my posts, they said, let us know what you're doing. Let us know who you are. Well, of course, this is T. Michael's Designs, the leading #1 design firm and designer in the area, of course, right? Hey, look what we're doing. We do whole house renovations. So here is the sign. So you want all of my information. Let's see if you can see that here. There we go. So now you see it all. So there we go. There's my phone number. There is my email address. So if you have any questions, please give me a call and we can come out and see your home and do whatever you would like done to it. So as you can see, we got the stucco done. We're ready to go with our final coat. So all the brown coat is done. The fence, they got all finished last week. So that is done on this side. It's also done on the other side. We even got our neighbor to do her fence. So we've got a nice fence in between the two. And the adjoining fence is in between both properties. So it's nice and clean now. Now the front is also stuccoed. Look at the tremendous change that took place on the front of this house. It really gives it a nice look and a nice entry. Now we're going to get the polyfoam on the top and the bottom of both of the windows, and then we'll put the shutters on and it'll look great. We also got the tiling started inside the house. So let me show you the interior here. Let's see if we can show you this shot. Maybe it might be better this way. Let's look this way. There we go. So we got the wood tiles here. We were going to do the entire floor, was not within my budget. So we're just going to take it to here and carpet, and then we'll tile the kitchen area as well. So we got the painting all finished and complete. So we've got a little bit of a darker color, which this is called a Night in Paris on this side. And this one, I can't remember what this color is, but you can see a faint difference in the two colors there on the wall. And then we've got a soft color on the ceiling as well. This back wall is also done in the Paris color, and then this is done in the Paris color. So I have the 3 walls done in the soft Paris color. So it's really coming together. Outside here, we have the pool equipment is being relocated. So we've started the pool, and they are going to be relocating this from this location. Now that we put this door in, we're going to take it and trench over, and I'm going to tuck it in behind the chimney over there. So we're going to put a little fence, so now this will be nice and open. People can put patio furniture here, make it really quite nice for their entertaining. And then as we go back in here, see, stuccoed, it's looking really sharp. As we go back in, we have the tile done now in the bathrooms. We've also got the Paris down here. Let's see if this light is working. Yes, it is. We've got the tile done here as well. Looks great. And then as we travel through here, we got the tile done on the flooring in this bathroom also. So that is also finished and complete, and we're ready to start installing our cabinetry. We also did the Paris wall here as well with their accent colors. And I think that's just about it for this week, but it is coming together. I'm very happy with how it's turning out. So we're going to talk to the contractor today. He's coming over so we can go over the little trim pieces that I want to put around. So I'm going to put the polyfoam up here at the top and at the bottom, and then we'll have the shutters on the left and right side of both of the front windows, and then we will match the color of the paint, which is the darker color here. This color here is going to be what's on the front door, the garage door, and then the 2 shutters. And that will be a nice accent color to what we're going to paint the front of the house, which is going to remain the soft gray color. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a deeper trim. So anyway, that is it for today. Just thought you would enjoy to see the current update of what's going on here at the Indio property. If you have any questions, you saw what my number is, you saw what my email is, please send me any information you might request, and I can get back to you and answer those questions. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and stay tuned. I'll lose my voice. Stay tuned for more updates. Have a great one.